Normally put a few different piles of sunflower seeds out. But the king parrots, all four brothers are here today, all staring. They carry on like pork chops. Now, is it cruel to just put one pile down and watch them squabble? Probably, but I'm going to do it anyway. The battle commence. And we've got this one coming in. He could be brother number one. He's got a little bit of yellow in him. Oh, his eyes are sort of... Yes, that's the time of year eyes. Oh, Jesus. I'm not having any of that. Now he's pissed off. He's going to have a go at the Rosellas. That was a little bit harsher than I thought. What about you? So you want me to put another pile down, don't you? You're going to try... What's your chances? None. We found our dominant male. Oh, look, they're getting a bit... Rosellas have taken chat. Rosellas are clever. Whilst these fight around and fight and... They're not normally like this. It's because it's nesting season. They've all got the shits. Only the males are out, so all the females are on the nest. I can't bear it. I'm going to have to put another pile down. Yes. Alright, don't attack me. Another fight here, is it? I'll do another pile over here. Okay, everybody's happy. My experiment was a little bit Mag's here. Magpie's here, Mrs. is here. And the storm's about to hit too. I should have put them to the sword. Mrs. Mag. Or the beak, more accurately. I'll let them carry on with their shenanigans. She likes a few sunflower seeds, but on the whole, she's after some lean beef strips.